thank you so much for joining me today. This is Jenny here with Sipping Streams Tea Company, and I decided to take a little break and get outside of my house and enjoy some fresh air and enjoy this beautiful falling fluffy snow that we have here in Alaska. So I wanted to go over really quickly 3 reasons why tea is safe. And right now, this is a great time to be stocking up on tea and boosting your immune system. We have this amazing 5-day free online workshop that is exclusive to our Sipping Streams Tea Tribe private Facebook group. That's called the Essential Immune Boosting Tea Workshop. And that will go over some major teas that are out there that are great for different reasons of why they can boost your immune system significantly and how they work physiologically. But right now I just want to go over 3 really easy reasons why tea is safe. First of all, tea helps your immune system. And all different teas do different things. So when you're drinking tea, you're staying hydrated, which is very, very important for your bodily functions to work and your organs and your circulatory system to work well. But you're also intaking some amazing nutrition and antioxidants that can help different vital organs in your body, including your heart and your respiratory system. Another reason why tea is safe is that tea undergoes very, very high temperatures to be dried. And so with fresh produce, sometimes different microbes or bacteria or viruses can be transported on fresh produce. But with tea being dried at very high temperatures and then packed and vacuum sealed and transported to the United States or wherever you are, it is dried and preserved, and so it's pretty safe because of the way that it's processed through very, very high temperatures. And then when you get it, it has a very long shelf life of 3 to 5 years, which then you can just rehydrate and use those nutritional properties of those produces, of those different types of teas and herbs. Then you also have that tea is very, very good for you economically because it not only doesn't take up much space for your cupboard, but also for your pocketbook. So tea can end up being like 10 cents a cup. And if you have high quality teas like we have at Sipping Streams Tea Company, then you can re-steep your tea up to 4 times, sometimes up to 8 times. I do live videos all the time in our private Facebook group, the Sipping Streams Tea Tribe, and that's also where I will be talking more about how to boost your immune system, how to fight off diseases, and how to get the proper nutrition and rest through tea. So join us in that community today, and I hope you're interested in learning more tips and tricks about tea, and we look forward to seeing you April 6th for our free 5-day workshop, the Essential Immune Boosting Tea Workshop. Tell your friends and family, join us. It's live for you online, so you can watch it wherever you are. Thank you so much, and I hope you join our Sipping Streams Tea Tribe private Facebook group today.